Vocabulary list for alphabet K. K for kayak. A kayak is a small boat with an opening in the center for a person. Key. We use keys to lock and unlock doors. King cobra. The king cobra is the largest poisonous snake in the world. It lives in India, southern China and Southeast Asia. Kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kiwi. A yummy fruit. The kiwi is a tangy fruit that grows in warm areas. Knife. You can cut things with a knife. Knot. Knots tie things together. Kid. A kid is a young child. Koala. The cute and popular koala bear is a mammal. It is found in Australia and is a pouched animal. Means carries young ones in its pouch. Vocabulary list for alphabet L. Ladybug. Ladybugs are flying insects that are useful in a garden because they eat many plant-eating insects. Laundry. Laundry is dirty clothing. Doing the laundry means washing and drying clothes. Leopards. Leopards are widely distributed, spotted wild cats. Lettuce. Lettuce is a leafy vegetable that is good in salads. Library. Libraries have books, tapes and computer programs that you can use and borrow. Limousine. A limousine is a very long fancy car. Lily. A lily is a funnel-shaped flower. Lollipop. A lollipop is candy on a stick. Lantern. A lantern is a device that gives off light. Vocabulary list for alphabet M. Macaw. Macaws are parrots from rainforest in the Americas. Mercury. Mercury is moonless planet. It is the planet closest to the sun. Mittens. Mittens keep our hands warm. We use mittens during winters. Mop. A mop is used to clean the floor. Microscope. A microscope lets you see very tiny things. Mirror. You can see your reflection in a mirror. Muffins. Muffins are small baked cakes. Milk. Milk comes from cows and other mammals. Vocabulary list for alphabet N. Nectarine. Nectarine is a sweet, juicy fruit with smooth skin. It is related to peach. Nail. A nail is a long, thin piece of metal that you can hammer into wood. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. This frozen planet has 8 moons. Noodles. Noodles are flat strips of pasta. Noodles were invented in China. Necklace. A necklace is jewelry for your neck. Nurse. A nurse takes care of you when you are sick or hurt. Nightingale. A nightingale is a bird that sings beautiful songs. Nut. A nut is a dry seed or fruit with a hard shell. Vocabulary list for alphabet O. Oak. An oak tree is a big tree. Oar. An oar is used to row a boat. Ocean. An ocean is a large body of salt water that surrounds a continent. Owl. Owls are birds of prey that have large eyes and very good eyesight. Oven. Ovens get very hot. You can bake food in an oven. Onions. Onions are sharp tasting vegetables. Olives. An olive is an oily fruit that grows on an evergreen tree. They come in 2 colors, black and green. Omelette. An omelette is a dish made from eggs. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird and is from Africa. It cannot fly, but it runs very fast.